Hey, pour it in my mouth! Let's see what Bourbon Street looks like at night. These roads suck. Is this Bourbon Street? This is Royale. Royale with cheese. What's up with these bumps? Oh god! These bumps suck. Get it? Get some of that. Yeah. Well, here's Bourbon Street on the left and right here. Looks just about the same as it did during the day. Except more neon. Oh, whoa, there he is. Drunk people. Ooh, look at that. Hey, pour it in my mouth! Poured in my mouth. Oh, let's go. Dude, just drove down Bourbon Street. It's like freaking people walking everywhere. It's nuts. There's no rules. What the hell? Look at this shit. Oh my god, what is this bullshit? Let's go. These streets are so funny. It's like so old. It's like horse-drawn carriage streets. Hell is this? Oh god, those suck. Those things suck. I've never had meridians like that before. Those things blow. Worse than stop signs. Whoa, what's going on here? Whoa, whoa, we're back at it. Alright, that was cool. Where are we going? It's like a cemetery over here. Oh, I forgot to check out the cemeteries. Arr, where the hell am I? Oh, is this a one-way? What is this shit? What an interesting city. Thank you, Nola. Thank you indeed. Woo! What a fun night. What a good time.